Every year, thousands of Nepalese students land in Australia with two suitcases and big dreams, only to discover that the Australian journey is filled with pain, pressure, hope, struggle, and sacrifices they have never experienced before. No one prepares you for how lonely this journey can feel. The sweat and tears it takes to get better jobs, the constant stress of arranging finances just to study at university, the pressure to get permanent residency before your visa expires, or the courage it takes to turn your skill or passion into business of your own. All of this while racing against time and trying to figure everything out on your own. But here's the truth, you are not alone. There are thousands of students and professionals who went through same struggle, felt the same confusion, and found their way forward one step at a time. This podcast brings the story of those Nepali students, professionals, and business owners in Australia. People who started with doubt, disbelief, and little experience like you are facing, but built clarity, confidence, and achieved their goals step by step through right guidance. These stories and lessons of their life will give you everything you need to take right step in your Australian journey. It will not just inspire you, it will equip you to act. Therefore, if you are a student in Nepal dreaming to come to Australia, this podcast is for you. If you are in Australia grinding and searching of where to become professional or get permanent residency, this podcast is for you. If you are a professional aspiring to become an entrepreneur, this podcast is also for you. Launching on 1st of January 2026. This is more than a podcast. It's a blueprint of Australian journey to learn, apply, improve, and impact. I'm Rudra, and this is the Impact Diaries.